Yedi Total Package Air Fryer Oven XL.
Air fryer, perfect healthy gift for food-loving dads, mothers, family and
TikTok
friends.
famous.
Slimmer footprint fit on your countertop and save your space. It has 85% less fat than traditional deep frying methods with little to no oil. Rotisserie, built-in rotisserie, prepare whole roasts, tenderloins, racks of kebabs, and chicken. Dehydrator, create flat, ship-like dehydrated foods, such as dried mangoes for fun and healthy homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Comes with rotisserie tong, rotisserie rod, oven rack, drip pan, skewer rotisserie cage, rotisserie steak cage, shallow mesh basket, 2 mesh trays, Yedi oven mitts and a recipe book.
So you'll be flying high, saving your valuable time and energy to maximize your superpowers in the kitchen and out. After all, every air fryer deserves an air fryer oven. The super powerful and super convenient Yedi Houseware Total Package Air Fryer Oven. Order yours today.
Check the description below on where to buy it.